FBV Colors Femina Miss India 2017. First runner-up is contestant number 6, Sana Dua from Jammu and
Kashmir. I went to the Northern auditions and got chosen as Miss India Jammu and Kashmir, and I came back and wrote the next, after that I wrote Miss India 2017. So every day I used to wake up and every day I used to see that on the mirror where it was written that I am the next Miss India 2017. And every day I used to read it, and every day it just made me feel that yes, I have to talk like a Miss India, I have to walk like a Miss India, I have to feel like a Miss India. If whether or not this happens in my life, I am going to live this on my own. And then I went for the finale of Miss India 2017, where dreams came true, a lot of things fell into place and life changed.
ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर।
She's been very funny since the childhood, and I remember one incident, like she was very mannerful and she wanted everything perfect. So once we went to Jaipur and we were just having chaat papri on the roadside. So there were two more people who were having the same thing, and they were like talking to each other, having chat. So she suddenly left my hand and she went to them and she said, "Bhaiya, खाने के टाइम बात नहीं करते." So they were like एकदम taken aback. The little child has come and told us this thing, and like they were very, they kept quiet and they were really like surprised.
Thank you so much, Sana. We love you.
I was telling my roommate कि बस अब एक दिन और and उसके बाद तो जो होएगा होएगा, but उसके बाद we'll get to be with our family. I didn't realize that on winning, another thing that comes with it is the commitments and the responsibility that of course has to be looked after, because that is what you won the crown for. And the next day I had just no time, and I thought I would be getting to meet my parents often and be with them all the time, but it didn't happen. And now the homecoming was happening and I was so excited. I have never been this excited ever to meet my family, to meet my parents. I think Miss India somewhere brought us even closer. It did bring us really close, because I've never felt so close to my parents ever in my life, ever. never missed them so much, never felt that hollow feeling inside of me without them. I think that's the first time I really miss them. And coming home is so beautiful that it cannot be expressed in words. I have it's really a beautiful feeling, and I don't want to let go of it, but I know that it's going to lead me, to a better path, and my parents are happy for me, and they're proud of me, and that's what matters. But I'm really happy to be home.
She's reaching the culmination point, and 4 days, 3 days prior to that, I got a call from Sana, which showed me that she was undergoing the same stress and strain, which probably in the year 1982, when I was in the NDA National Defence Academy 63rd course. I was the Academy Cadet Adjutant, and 3 days prior to my passing out, I was promoted to Academy Cadet Captain with the responsibility to command the parade of 1100 cadets. Then I said, look, my daughter is undergoing the same stress and strain. Now, I told her, Sana, look, this will be happening, this will happen. Now at this stage, every girl has reached is at the peak of her performance and peak of her delivery in terms of our results. They all are more or less equal now, right? So what they are saying is that now at this juncture, you do not lose hope. You will perform, keep confidence in yourself and your abilities. You will do very well.
Once when my son, he was उसको जब जॉब मिला इन्फोसिस में, तो वी फेल्ट वेरी प्राउड फॉर हिम. तो इसने मुझे कुछ महीनों के बाद बोला, मम्मा वरुण ने आपको इतना प्राउड किया है, मैं आपको कभी कर पाऊँगी. तो उस दिन द सेम फीलिंग वॉज इन माई माइंड कि वी आर हेयर टुडे ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हर. नहीं तो हम इधर कभी पहुँच नहीं पाते. एंड लाइक we are witnessing her on the big stage and with so many personalities, and like she's like and after at the end she won also, so it was a very big moment for us, and like it is a memorable lifetime.
Sana is 3 to 4 months
We're
old,
eating like this.
and it's a very nice place we were in, away from the civilization. It's beautiful. Some days.